in. Sa lahat po ng may suot ng singsing, kwintas, hikaw, porseras, importante yung bulitas. Pakitanggal po ang lahat ng yan. Bawal sa loob ng laro yan. Onside checker versus Tiburon Teal. First 5. Yan, happy viewing nga pala kay Boss Declaro dyan. Happy viewing, Sir Boss Declaro. First 5. To all players stuck in. To all players stuck in. Ulitin ko po, lahat po ng players kailangan nakatuck in daw po. First 5. Jump ball. Tiburon team ball. Number 21 pass to number 14. For 2 points. By number 14. Number 27 Corpus. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 12. Aniban. Steal. Nakuha ni number 12. Pass break to number 14. Radovan. Pero nakuha pa rin ng onside checker. Onside checker, team ball. Inbound number 27, pass to number, back to number 27, 19. Back to number 19, back to number 27. Number 27, Corpus. Pass to number 12, Aniban, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 12, pass to number Okay, inbound. Yun. Nakuha ni number 12, Aniban, pass to number 27, Corpus. Corpus, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 09. Nakuha pa rin ni number 12, pass to number 19. Number 12, Aniban for 2 points. Inbound, number 14, pass to number 12, long no. Kulang ng S, parang long nose. Number 21. Pass to number 22. Jump shot, no good. Oh, anong tawag? Foul, number 23. Number 23, first personal foul. First team foul. Number 27, Corpus. Binaba na ang bola. Corpus dribble the ball. 10 to shoot. Number 07, 6 to shoot, jump shot, 2 points. Number 12, long no, diniretso na, nabitawan ng bola, nakunin number 22 ng Tiburon, troubling violation. Onside checker, team ball. Inbound, number 07, pass to number 27. Corpus. Corpus dribble the ball. Corpus outside, same ball. Remaining shot clock, 10 to shoot. Back by number 22, nakuha ni number 12 ang bola. Longno, diniretso na, jump shot, foul, counted. Foul number 09. Number 09. Bagal. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots to Paltrow, 2 shots to Paltrow. 1 shot lang pala. Number 27, Corpus. Binabawa ang bola. Corpus. Pass to number 19, Pontillo. No good. Ang kirang spot. Nakuha ni number, yun. Still by number 07, jump shot for 2 points. Number 14, Radovan. Binabawa na ang bola. Radovan pass to number 21. Number 21 pass to number 23. Number 23 dribble the ball. Pass to number 14. Radovan jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 22 yung bola. Foul! Number 12, Aniban. First personal foul. Second team foul. Inbound number 23, pass to number 14, Radovan. Radovan dribble the ball. Outside, onside, check out team ball. Tama. Number 22. Pass to number 27. Back to number 22. Number 22. Back to number 27. Corpus, take shot. Foul number 27. Number 27. First personal foul. Second team foul. No good. That's 1 shot to Paltrow. Yun. Oh. Nawakan mo ito. Andito 1 point. Substitution rep. Substitution. Inbound number 30. Pass to number 2, Bayot. Bayot dribble the ball. Back to number 30, Tiama. 10 to shoot. Number 2, Bayot, pass to number 3. Back to number 30, Tiama, inangat, no good. Rebound by number 06, pass to number 17. Number 17. Pass to number 24. Binigay kay number 26. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 2. Number 2. Foul. First personal foul. Third team foul. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good. Team on team ball. Inbound. Inbound number 30. Pass to number 2. Bayot. Bayot. Binaba ng bola. Back to number 30. Tiap. Back to number 2. Bayot. Third. Jump shot. No good. Onside, checker team ball. Inbound, number 22, pass to number 17. Number 17, binaba na ang bola. Number 17, sumalaksak, pinira, no good. Nakuha ni number 27, pass to number 3, pass to number 15. Pinira, nakakuha ng foul. Foul number 22. Number 22, first personal foul, third team foul. No good, last one shot to Paltrow. No good. No good again. Onside checkout team ball. Inbound number 17. Number 17 pass to number 22. Number 22. Sumalaksak. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 27. Number 27 pass to number 30. Outside. Same ball. Team around team ball. Inbound number, Number 37, pass to number 30, Tiama, jump shot, no good, rebound by number 22, ng onside checker team. Number 22, binaba ng bola, pass to number 17, jump shot, for 2 points. Number 17. Number 2, Bayot. Binaba ng bola. Pass to number 27. Jump shot. No good. Number 15, in and out. No good. Nakuha ni number 05 ang bola ng onside. Check out team. Number 05, pass to number 22. Steal by number 27. Peria. Number 27. Foul. Counter. Who's power up? Number 22. Number 22. Second personal foul. Warning to penalty. Substitution rep. One shot to Paltrow. No good. Nakuha ni number 30 ang bola. Pass to number 27. Number 27, back to number 30. Pass to outside. Onside, checker team ball. Inbound number 22. Remaining time last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Score 11-6 in favor of onside checkered team. Number 17, binaba na ang bola. Number 17, back to number 22. Still the number 12, ang Tiburon team. Longno, foul counted. Number 17. First, dito ka tumingin sa akin. Yan. First personal foul. Ano? Ano yan? Penalty. No good. Number 27, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 22, pass to number 17. Number 17. Still, pinakuha ni number 3 ang bola ng Tiburon team. Number 3, diniretso pa ang aksyon for 3 points by number 3. Last 52 seconds. Number 17, pass to number 22. Number 22, pass to number 17. Still again by number 2, pass to number 3. Binigay kay number 27 ang bola, Peria. Diniretso pa ang aksyon. No good. Kuha pa rin ng Tiburon team. Still na ni onside checker. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Pass to number 22. Dinirap. No good. Last 22 seconds. Tiama. No good. Last 10 seconds. Jump shot. No good. 8 seconds. Number 12, Longlo, dribble the ball. Pass to number 30, jump shot. The end of the first. Okay, inbound, number 27. Inbound, number 27, pass to number 08. Number 08, back to number 27, jump shot. No good. Same ball. Inbound number 08, Carrion. Pass to number 12, uneven, inangat. No good. Nakuha pa rin number 08, tinira for 2 points. By number 08, Carrion. Number 3, Bayot, binaba na ang bola. Bayot, pass to number 12. Number 12, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 12. Oh, jump ball. Tiburon team ball. Inbound number 3. Pass. Room. Still. Only number 05. Pass to number 27. Corpus. Corpus. Pinilla for 2 points. Number 03 pala yun. Number 3. Bayot. Binaba na ang bola. Bayot. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 12. Pass to number 27. Number 27 going down. Pass to number 08. Number 08, back to number 27. Pass to number 02. 6 to shoot. 3 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 14. Radovan. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 12. Number 12, binigay kay number 27. Number 27, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 12 ng onside checker team. Pass to number 27. Number 27, Corpus. Binaba ng bola. Kahanap ng papasahan. Nakita sa number 03. Jump shot. 13 points by number 03. In down, number 3, pass to number 14. Radovan, pass to number 27. Oh, foul! Number 02. Oh, thank you so much. Dalawa. Thank you so much, Bangka. First personal foul, first team foul. No good. Last one shot to Patrol. No good. Nakuha ni number 02 ang bola. Binaba na ang bola. Number 08. Pass to number 02. Number 03. Jump shot. For 2 points by number 03. Number 14, Radovan. Binaba na ang bola. Number 14, pass to number 12. No good. Rebound pa rin ni number. Nakuha na ng onside checker team. Ang bola. Number 08. Binaba na ang bola. Steal. Foul. Pushing foul. Number 14. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 27, Corpus. Pass to number 12. Binigay kay number jump shot, no good. 02. Number 14, Radovan. Binaba ng bola. Binigay kay number 30, Tiama. Pinira sila, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni Tiama ang bola. Number 30. Oh, foul. Number 27. Number 27. Bagal. Ano? Hindi mo makita? First personal foul. Second team foul. Jump shot in number 21. No good. Radovan. 42 points by number 14. Rebound number 12. Pass to number 27. Corpus. Binababa na bola. Corpus. Pass to number 08. No good. Ang kilang spot. Radovan, number 14. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 30. Tiama. Pinigay kay number 22. Foul. Number 03. Number 03. First personal foul. Third team foul. Inbound, number 22. 22. Pass to number 12. Bigay kay number 14. Back to number 22. Back to number 12. Oh, substitution. Substitution rep. Inbound number 07. Pass to number 27. Number 27, binawa na ang bola. Pass to number 12, Aniban. Jump shot for 2 points. Remaining time, that's 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Score 21-12 in favor of onside second team. Number 14, Radovan. Pass to number 30. Binigay sa number, no good. Follow up in number 12 for 2 points. Number 37 going down. Number 27, dribble the ball. Pass to number 07, jump shot. No good. Now only number 14, pass to number 21. Oh, onside checker team. Substitution rep. Sa lahat po ng sasab, dapat po nakangiti. Buti nakita mo. Ito ba sa hindi? Inbound number 07, pass to number 27. Number 27, pass to number 08. Number 08, pass to number 12. Aniban, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 23, pass to number 30. Pass to number 14, pass to number 23. Binigay kay number, still by number 12, Aniban, ang onside taker. Aniban, number 12, pass to number 07, jump shot for 2 points. By number 07, Agquarely. Number 30, pass to number 12, foul. Number 05. Number 05. First personal foul. Warning to penalty. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. Sabdo, maya. No good. Onside. Substitution rep. Inbound number 27, pass to number 08. Number 08, pass to number 07, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 12 ang bola, pass to number 14, Radovan ng Tiburon team. Number 14, diniretso na, no good. Number 14 again, nakakuha na. Number 08. Number 08, first personal foul, penalty. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. Remaining time, last 3 minutes. Score 23-14 in favor of onside checker team. No good again. Black by number 12, Longo. Still up 3, Alvarez, jump shot. No good. Radovan, 13 points. Foul counted. Time out, onside, checker team. One point mula sa tirang Paltrow ni number 14, Radovan. Inbound number 07, pass to number 27. Number 27, Corpus, binaba ng bola. Pass to number 08, pass to number 26. Inangat, no good. Number 26 again. Still by number 14, Radovan. Radovan. Pass to number 2, Bayot. Binigay kay number 12, Longo for 2 points. Inbound number 07, pass to number 08. Number 08, binaba ng bola. Pass to number 27. Number 26, jump shot, no good. Nakakuha ng Tiburon team ang bola. Number 23. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 08. Number 08. Second personal foul. Penalty. One point. Mula sa tirang Paltrow. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good. Nakuha ni number 07. Pass to number 27. Corpus. Corpus. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 26. Tinira. No good. Rebound by number 2. Bayot. Pass break to number 30. Number 30. Tiama. Binigay kay number 12. Long low. For 2 points. Rebound number 08, pass to number 05, back to number 08. Number 08, pass to number 27. Corpus, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 12, outside, team ball. Subdivision, rep. Substitution. Inbound number 23, pass to number 12. Long no. Bawal daw mahaba. Long no. Pass to number 2, Bayot. Bayot. Sa ilalim. 10 to shoot. Number 12, long no. Pass to number 27, jump shot, no good. Tiama for 2 points by number 13, Tiama. Rebound number 09, pass to number 27. Number 27, Corpus. Last 50 seconds. Score 23-24. Lamang na po ang Tiburon ng isang puntos. 3 seconds. Violation. Onside. Sorry. Lamang po. Tiburon. Tiburon lamang ng isa. Last 37 seconds. Number 2, Bayot, binaba na ang bola. Last 30 seconds. Number 27, pass to number 12. Long low, jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni Long low ang bola. Tinira Black by number 08. Pass to number 27, Corpus. 14 points. Last 10 seconds. Alvarez, number 23. Pass to number 27. Number 27. Nakuha pa rin ang bola. The end of the second quarter. Okay. Inbound number 26, pass to number 08, Carrion. Carrion, dribble the ball. Still by number 14, nakakuha pa ng foul kay number 08. Number 08, third personal foul, first team foul. Number 3, pass to number 2, Bayot. Pass to number 27, jump shot. For 3 points. Okay, number 27. Number 03, binaba na ang bola. Number 03, dribble the ball. Pass to number 08. Number 08, turn to shoot. Back to number 03. 5 to shoot. Number 22, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 26, foul, counted. Who's foul rep? Number 03. Huh? Number 3. Number 3, first personal foul. First team foul. No good. Rebound by number 27. Foul. Number 22. Number 22. Third personal foul, second team foul. Inbound number 14, pass to number 27, pass to number 3. Number 3, pass to number 2. Bayot, dribble the ball. Back to number 14, Radovan, sumalaksak. Tinira, 40 points by number 14. Number 22, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 03, Francia, binigay kay number 08. Jump shot for 3 by number 08. Inbound number 2, pass to number 3. Pass to number 14, Radovan. Radovan, pass to number 2. Bayot! No good. Ang tirang is back. Nakuha ni number 08 ang bola. Pass to number 09, back to number 08. Pass to number 03. Number 03, pass to number 08. Carrion. Turn to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Team one, team ball. Remaining time, last 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Score 28-30 in favor of onside checker team. Number 3. Pass to number 14. Radovan. Pass to number 23. Alvarez. Jump shot. No good. Onside checker team ball. Inbound. Inbound. Inbound for 22 to number 08. Number 08, pass pull to number 03. Binigay kay number 26. Number 26, block by number 2. Number 2, foul. Substitution rep. Who's foul rep? Who's foul? Number 2, Bayot. First personal foul. A second personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution rep.
Substitution. Okay, inbound, number 09. Number 09. Pass to number 17. Number 17, jump shot. For 3 points! Yay! Yay! Number 14, Radovan, binaba na ang bola. Radovan, sumalaksak. Itinira, no good. Nakuha ni Bayot ang bola. Block by number 08. Nakuha pa rin ni number 3 ng Tiburong team. Take shot. Naipasa kay number 26 na onside checker. Foul. Number 14, Radovan. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Inbound, number 26. Pass to number 08. Pass to number 17. Back to number 08. Number 08. Pass to na, ayun pala si number 17. Traveling, violation.
Subdivision rep.
Boss, tuck in po tayo, boss. Tuck in. Bawal na po ang hip-hop sa loob.
Okay, inbound. Number 2. Pass to number 3. Number 3 going down. Pass to number 13. Tiyama. Back to number 3. Back to number 2. Pass to number 12. Longno. Longno. Tinira. No good. Nakuha ni number 3 ang bola. Nag-table ang team. Pinasa number 30. Tiyama. Tiyama. 3 to shoot. Number 20. Oh, traveling violation. Okay, inbound. Number 08, pass to number 17. Diba? Number 22. Pass to number 08. Take shot. Tinira. Pinasa sa referee, kaya give around team ball. Inbound, number 2, 5, 4. Inbound, number 2, Bayot, pass to number 30. Number 30, Tiyama. Dribble the ball. Tiyama, sumalaksak, tinira. For 2 points. Inbound, number 26, 08. Carrion, binaba na ang bola. Binigay kay number 17. Back to number 08. Number 08, pass to number yun. Number 08. 8 to shoot. Jump shot. Pass. Still, nakuha ni number 30 ang bola. Tiyama. Tiyama. Pass to number 3. Binigay kay number 12. Lolo. Bawal mahaba. For 2 points. Time out. Onside check our team.
Kapisap, anong kulay? Emon!
Inbound, number 02. Pass to number 27. Pass to number 17, back to number 27. Corpus. 10 to shoot. Corpus. 5 to shoot. Number 17, jump shot. No good. No good. Only number 22, pass to number 30, pass to number 2. Bayot. Bayot. Pass to number 3. Binigay kay number 30, Tiyama, jump shot. No good. Only number 17 ang onside checker team. Still by number 3, pero foul. Number 3. Subdivision, rep. Second personal foul. Warning to penalty. Inbound. Inbound. Number 17. Pass to number 27. Number 27, Corpus. Move the ball. Pass to number 07. Still by number 14. Radovan. Pass to number 12. Walang mahaba. For 2 points. Foul counted. Walang mahaba by foul number 27, Corpus. Second personal foul. 13 fouls. Brought to you by Robas. Kapag single ka, mag-Robas ka. Napakatagal mo sa banyo. Lono! For 2 points. Wala. Siyempre, walang mahaba dyan. Number 27, Corpus. Pinaba na ang bola. Pass to number 17. Diba? Back to number 27. 10 to shoot. Still by number 2. Pass to number 12. Walang mahaba. Pass to number 14, Radovan.
Outside. Same ball.
Sab. Number 14, Tira. First 2 points by number 14, Radovan. Number 27, binababa ang bola. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Score 38-33 in favor of Tiburon team. Number 17, 5 to shoot. Remaining shot clock, 2 to shoot. Oh, outside. Step on the line. Ang referee natin ay meron 365,000 megapixel. Ganyan kalinaw ang mata niyan. Kahit malayo, kita. Number 14, Radovan. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 22, binigay kay number 12. Pass to number 30, Tiamat. Binigay kay number 22. Long. Oh, 3 seconds violation. Sabi ko sa inyo eh.
Substitution, rep. Kahit gaano pa karami ang team. Kitang-kita, di ba?
Number 27, Corpus. Binaba na ang bola. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Score 38-33 again. Lamang pa rin po ang Tiburon team. Number 27, Corpus. Jump shot. No good. Aniba, number 12, inamat. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? Number 30, Tiama. Penalty direct. First personal foul penalty. 1 point mula sa tirang foul throw ni number 12, Aniban. Last 1 shot to foul throw. No goal! Tiburon team ball. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Number 15, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 12, walang mahaba. That's 1 minute. Number 30, Tiamo, pass to number 15. Number 15, jump shot, no good. Number 30, Tiamo for 2 points. Last 45 seconds. Number 08, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 27, Corpus. Corpus, sumalaksak. Still by number 14. Pass to number 12. Walang mahaba. For 2 points. By walang mahaba. Number 27. Corpus. Pass to number 08. Number 08. Pass. Still in the line. Number 14. Radovan. Pass to number 12. Walang mahaba. For no good. For no good. Nakuha ni number 27 ang bola. 10 seconds. Foul. Remaining time last 8 seconds. Foul number 22. First personal foul penalty. Wala pa. Penalty po, penalty. Ano wala? Ano ba yan? Last 8 seconds. 1 point mula sa tirang foul throw ni number 27, Corpus. Last 1 shot to foul throw. No good. Nakuha ni number 30. 5 seconds. Oh, nabigay sa tamaan. T1. Happy New Year. Yeah.
Ano naman eh. Sana all maganda.
Number 14, Radovan, pass to number 27, pass to number,
Yun. Sino yun? 21.
number 21. 0-3. Second personal foul, first team foul.
Is brought to you by Tubong Mahaba, Makaba, Matigas. Yan ang PVC ng Pinas.
No good. Last one shot to foul draw.
Ka na nga dyan eh.
1 point mula sa tirang foul draw ni number 21. Inbound number 07, pass to number 03. Number 03, pass to number, yun, kay number 08. Pass to number 12, Aniban, pass to number 08, jump.
Big shot. Jump shot.
No good. Rebound by number 14, Radovan, pass to number 21. Number 21, dribble the ball. Torres.
Torres pala yun eh.
Still by number 22. Number 22, pass to number 12, Aniban. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 22. 27, pass to number 23, Alvarez. Pass to number 21, Torres. Binigay kay number 3. Pass to number 14, Radovan. Time to shoot! Number 23, Alvarez. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 12, Aniban. Pass to number 08. Number 08, pass to number 22. Number 22 is still the number 14. Pass to number 21, Torres. Torres dribble the ball. Pass to number 27, Peria. Traveling violation. Yan ang tawag ng ating official referee.
Mahal kita. Mahal kita.
Number 03, pass to Kalaban. Number 3, ng Tiburon Team. Number 3, itinira, no good. Rebound by number 07 ng onside checker team. Pass to number 03, Francia. Francia, binigay kay number 08. Jump shot! No good. Nakuha ni number 23, Alvarez. Pass to number 14, Radovan. Anong tawag? Foul number 12,
Aniban.
third personal foul, second team foul. Inbound number 14, pass to number 3, back to number 14, pass break to number 23, Alvarez. Alvarez, binigay kay number 21, Torres. Torres, pass to number 27, jump shot, no good. Number 08, going down, pass to number 03, take shot, jump shot, for 2 points by number 03.
4K lang ah.
Number 3, binaba ang bola. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 07, pass to number 08. Number 08, pass to number still, pero nakuha pa rin yung number 22 for 2 points. Timeout, Tiburon! Ayan po, nahihirapan punta-putin ng bola. Number 3. Yan na. Inbound again.
Mga tatlong inbound dyan.
Number 3, pass to number 2, Payot. Pass to number 30. Chiyama, dribble the ball. Pass to number 2, Bayot. Bayot. Pass to number 3, jump shot, no good. Nakakuha na ng outside ang bola. Same ball, team ball. Happy viewing to Mark Kagiwa. Yan. Sir, hindi po kayo naglaro Ayun, sir. Number 2, Bayot. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 30, Tiama. Jump shot. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 12, Aniban. Number 12, Aniban, warning to foul out. 13 foul. Mahal kita. Okay. 1 point mula sa tirang patrol ni number 30, Tiama. Number 08, pinababa na ang bola. Number 08, dribble the ball. Pass to number 27, jump shot. No good. Team ball. Inbound, number 23, Alvarez. Pass to number 12. Walang mahaba. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 3. Pakakain mo lang Number 30, pass to number 12. Nabitawan ng bola, nakuha ng number 27, Corpus. Corpus, diniretso pa. Foul. Number 12 again. Longno. First personal foul. Ano ba ang gulo mo? First team foul. Substitution, rep. Number 26, jump shot, no good. Number 26 again, blocked by number 30. Now winning number 2, pass break to number 3. Number 3, for 2 points. Number 3, libre. Time! Score 46-39 in favor of Gibraltar. Inbound, number 08, pass to number 27. Number 27, Corpus. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Number 27 is carried by number 14, Radovan. Radovan, foul. Foul number 3. Third personal foul. Warning to penalty. Sana all may jowa. 1 point. Plus a tirang Padro ni number 14, Radovan. Last 1 shot to Padro. Sana all may jowa. Shoutout sa mga walang jowa dyan. Magkaka-jowa rin kayo. Pero sa mga rebound by number 03, pass to number 08, Carillon. Pass to number 97, Corpus. Masyadong alerto si ate. Number 08, 6 to shoot. Number 26, jump shot, no good. Ang wala na number 14 ang bola. Radovan, pass break to number 2. Hindi na, outside. Onside, checker team.
Substitution rep. Ilan na lang tayo mo doon?
Rebound. Number 08, pass to number 03. Back to number 08. Number 08, back to number 03. Pass to number 26, nakakuha ng foul. Number 12, Longno. Second personal foul. Second team foul is brought to you by
Ano?
1 point mula sa tirang Paltrow. Last one shot to Paltrow. Number 20, Tiama. Pass to number 14, Radovan. Radovan. Pinaban ang bola ni Radovan. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 21, Torres. Take shot. Back. Last 5 to shoot. Number 30, Tiama. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 12, pass to number 33, pass to number 27. This portion is brought to you by Lagundi. Para sa mga babaeng malalandi. Lagundi. Ayan na. Who's foul? Number 2. Number 2. Bayot. Third personal foul. 13 fouls. Number 12, pass to number 26. Pass to number 03, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 14, pass break to number 21, Torres. Torres, pass to number 12. Oh! Why? Walang ganun, sir. Number 03, warning to foul out. Penalty. No good. That's one shot to Baltro.
Sana all.
1 point mula sa tirang Baltro. Substitution. Substitution. Rep.
Shoutout sa mga walang jowa dyan. Magkakajowa rin kayo. At sa mga may jowa dyan, maghihiwalay din kayo, mga leche kayo.
Number 27, binabahan ang bola. Pass to number 03, front shot. Binalik kay number 27 ang bola, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 30, Tiama. Tiama, pass to number 21, Torres. Binigay kay number 2, Bayo. Pass to number 14. Number 14, Rodovan, dribble the ball. Pass to number 27, binigay kay number 30, Tiama, no good. Nakuha ni number 27 ang bola, Corpus. Corpus, inirecho pa ang aksyon. No good. Okay, the Palmas award. Back to the ball game. Inbound, number 14, pass to number 2. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Score 50-40 in favor of Tiburon team. Tiama layup for 2 points. Number 08, inaba pa ng bola. Pass to number 22. Number 21, Torres. Pass to number 27. Number 27, binigay kay number 14. Number 14, pass to number 2, Bayot, binigay kay number 30. Number 20, binigay kay number 27. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 08, binaba ng bola. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 30, Tiama. Pass to number 2. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 32 seconds. Score 54-40. Lamang pa rin po ang Tiburon team. Number 2, Bayat. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 30. Tiama alas 5 to shoot. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 03, 08. Substitution, rep. Inbound number 14, pass to number 21, back to number 14. Number 14, Radovan, binababa na ang bola. Number 21, Radovan, pass to number 27, Peria. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 30, pass to number 21, push shot. Number 08, pass to number 22. Nakuha ni number 14, Radovan. Last 45 seconds. Pass break to number 30. Tiama, binigay kay number 15. Tumbado. Jump shot. No good. Rebound pa rin ni number 15. Pass to number 21. Binigay kay number 30. Tiama, back to number 21, Torres. No good. Last 25 seconds. Number 07, jump shot. No good. 20 seconds. For 2 points by number 22. Last 19 seconds.
Last 15 seconds. Yan na po, nag-apira na po ang bawat team. 10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5,
4,
3, 2,
1.
0.
Happy New Year mga kapisap!